From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the serene temples of Kyoto, our planet teems with captivating cultures and breathtaking landscapes just waiting to be explored. The truth is, experiencing the world's wonders doesn't require a king's ransom. Join me now as we delve into the art of affordable travel, uncovering the secrets to witnessing the world's grandeur without emptying your pockets. In the intricate dance of airline pricing, timing is everything. By embracing flexibility, we unlock a world of savings. Websites and apps like Google Flights and Skyscanner become our hunting grounds, revealing the most opportune moments to pounce on a bargain. And remember, the shoulder season, those magical weeks just before or after the peak tourist rush, often offers a sweet spot of pleasant weather, thinner crowds, and significantly lighter prices. In the heart of every destination lies a tapestry of lodging options, each with its own unique charm and cost. Venture beyond the well-trodden path and consider the welcoming embrace of hostels, where shared experiences foster a spirit of camaraderie among fellow travelers. And for those seeking a home away from home, websites like Airbnb unlock a treasure trove of budget-friendly apartments, houses and rooms. Websites like Hostelworld, Couchsurfing and Workaway offer cheap or even free stays. To truly know a place, one must savor its flavors. Street food, bursting with vibrant colors and tantalizing aromas, offers a window into the soul of a culture at a fraction of the cost of tourist-trap restaurants. Seek out those hidden gems where locals gather, their laughter and animated conversations filling the air. And for an even deeper immersion, venture into local markets and grocery stores to craft your own budget-friendly feasts. In the urban jungle, transportation becomes an adventure in itself. Ditch the costly confines of taxis and embrace the freedom of public transportation. Hop aboard a bustling bus, navigate the intricate web of a subway system, or feel the wind in your hair on a local train. For shorter distances, consider renting a bicycle, a healthy, eco-friendly, and often incredibly affordable way to explore. By immersing yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of a new environment, you'll uncover hidden gems and create memories that no taxi ride could ever match. The most rewarding discoveries often lie off the beaten path, hidden in plain sight. Many cities, eager to share their history and culture, offer free walking tours led by passionate locals. Museums often have designated free entry days or evenings. A little research before your trip can unveil a wealth of opportunities to expand your horizons without expanding your budget. And remember, some of life's greatest pleasures are absolutely free. A breathtaking sunset, a picnic in a local park, or simply soaking up the atmosphere of a vibrant city square. And so, my friends, we reach the end of our journey, but your own adventure is just beginning. Armed with these budget-savvy strategies, you're now equipped to transform your travel dreams into reality. Now go forth and explore. Embrace the unknown, savor every moment, and let the spirit of adventure guide your path. Until the next time, happy travels.